Good morning, students. In continuation with short compositions of section B, we will now take up formal invitation. As I have already told you that the short compositions in section B are notice writing, advertisement writing, which we have done yesterday, and a homework also has been given to you regarding that. The third composition, short composition in the line is invitation. You must have seen a large number of formal and informal invitations being forwarded to your parents and being forwarded to others, friends and relatives by your parents. So here we will discuss, as I have already told you, the word limit for each of these short compositions is 50 words and the marks allotted are 4 marks. Today we will discuss the format of formal invitation. In the formal invitation, the first line of invitation reads the name of the host. And if we talk about an invitation for the marriage in the family, it is generally from the couple. Example, I have given you example Mrs. and Mr. So and so, Mrs. and Mr. Mittal, Mrs. and Mr. Singh, etc. So the first line in formal invitation is name of the host. It is generally in couple. And it is, suppose, an invitation from the school, then you can write the students, staff, principal and the management of Delhi Public School Sirsa or whatever the name of the school is. So the first line is of the host always. Now the second line is about the invitation. As I have told you, the students, staff, principal and the school management of Delhi Public School invite you. Now this line is about the occasion. Invite you to the 5th annual day celebration of the school. Here this line is about the invitation and the occasion on which somebody or the people are being invited to. Now the third line is name of the son or daughter if we talk about marriage, and if we talk about school functions, club functions, then we can write the year and the other occasions like the golden jubilee celebration, silver jubilee celebration or the platinum jubilee celebration of an organization. Then comes very important, we have to give a time and the venue and the date. And then comes to the name of the invitees. At the end, we either write RSVP. RSVP is a Latin word. It means Respondes Sil Voice Plate. It means reply soon via post if it pleases you. Otherwise, we can write WBCF also here. WBCF means with best compliments from. Again, the name and the address of the host family along with the phone number comes here. So this is the format of a formal invitation. You have to see that it is written in third person, I, you. Like in a notice, we don't generally use first and second person in the formal invitation, and the word limit 50 should be stuck to. Now we have a solved example. Suppose we have an invitation from Mrs. and Mr. A.S. Tipnis on the marriage of their son Rahul. So here is the solved example of a formal invitation. In the first line, as per the requirement, Mrs. and Mr. A.S. Tipnis. These 2 or 3 lines are generally, the fixed lines, although there can be little change here and there. We generally use these eloquent lines like request the pleasure of your benign presence on the occasion of the marriage of their son, marriage of their daughter, or on the golden jubilee celebration, on the silver jubilee celebration of this or that organization. If we are using their son, it means their son, the name of their son here is Rahul. At their residence means the venue, 105 New Bank Colony, Delhi, at 9 p.m. on 1st May 2020. Now, as I have already told you, Respondents shall voice plate RSVP or WBCF with best compliments from those who are forwarding this invitation. It's Mrs. and Mr. Tipness, and the phone number is also given. So you can have a look at one or two more examples inviting different people on different occasions. The invitations may be from some individual or from a couple or from a school or from a club or from a business house. So looking at the different solved examples will help you a lot to form the formal invitation effectively. Thank you. Have a nice day.